Happy morning, students. Welcome to grade 6, day 22, English reading and writing class. Children, take your honeysuckle book, page number 54. The last class we have practiced up to unit 4, prose, that is Kalpana Chawla lesson. Today we shall practice 4th unit poem, Beauty, in your honeysuckle book, page number 54. First I will read once, listen carefully, and then you have to repeat along with me. So listen carefully, children. First look at the title. The title of the poem is Beauty. Look at the spelling, B-E-A-U-T-Y, Beauty. Beauty is the poem. What is beauty? Try to describe what beauty is, or list some of the things or persons you think are beautiful. Now, let us read a poem on beauty. Again, I will read once, children. Listen carefully. Beauty. The title is Beauty. What is beauty? Try to describe what beauty is, or list some of the things or persons you think are beautiful. Now, let us read a poem on beauty. So look at the first stanza, children. Listen carefully. I'll read once and then you have to repeat along with me. Listen carefully. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. Again listen, children. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. Now repeat along with me, children. Read louder, pronounce it properly. Open your mouth and read. Beauty, B-E-A-U-T-Y, beauty. Beauty is seen, S-E-E-N, seen. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T, sunlight. Beauty is seen in the sunlight. The trees, the birds, corn growing, C-O-R-N, corn. Again say, children, C-O-R-N, corn. Corn growing, and people working, corn growing and people working, or dancing, D-A-N-C-I-N-G, dancing, or dancing for their harvest, H-A-R-V-E-S-T, harvest, harvest. Again read this first stanza, children. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest, harvest, H-A-R-V-E-S-T, harvest, or dancing for their harvest. Now look at the second stanza, children. Listen carefully. Beauty is heard in the night, wind shine, rain falling, or a singer chanting, anything in earnest. Beauty is heard in the night, wind shine, rain falling, or a singer chanting, anything in earnest. Now listen carefully, children. Read along with me. Beauty is heard, H-E-A-R-D, heard. Pronounce it, children, heard, heard. Beauty is heard in the night. Wind, W-I-N-D, is wind. Wind shine, shine, wind shine. Say louder, children. Wind shine, S-I-G-H-I-N-G, wind shine. Rain falling, falling, F-A-L-L, fall, I-N-G, falling, rain falling, wind shining, rain falling, or a singer chanting, singer, S-I-N-G-E-R, singer, singer, S-I-N, singer, G-E-R, singer, or a singer chanting, C-H-A-N, chanting, T, ing, chanting, chant, 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 ing, ing, chanting, or a singer chanting. Anything in earnest, earnest, earnest. Anything in earnest, earnest, earnest. Beauty is heard in the night. Wind shine, rain falling, or a singer chanting. Anything in earnest. Again repeat, children. Beauty is heard in the night. Wind shine, rain falling, or a singer chanting. Anything in earnest. Anything in earnest. Now look at the third stanza, children. Listen carefully. Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Now again listen the third stanza, children. Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Look at the first line, children. Beauty is in yourself. Yourself. S-E-L-F, self. S-E-L-F is self. Yourself. Yourself. Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds. Good deeds. Deeds. D-E-E-D-S. Deeds. Deeds. Good deeds. Happy thoughts. Thoughts. Happy thoughts. 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 Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds. Happy thoughts that repeat themselves. Repeat. R-E-P-E-A-T. Repeat. That repeat themselves. T-H-E-M. Themselves. S-E-L-V-E-S. Selves. S-E-L-V-E-S. Selves. That repeat themselves. Themselves. In your dreams. D-R-E-A-M-S. Dreams. In your dreams. In your work. And even in your rest. Again listen, children. Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Again repeat it, children. Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. E.Y. Sher. E.Y. Sher is the name of the poet. So children, read up to this. That is Unit 4 poem, page number 54, beauty poem. 3 stanzas are there. Read louder, pronounce it properly. Children, take your handwriting book. That is page number 15. In the last class, we have practiced up to page number 14. Today, we shall practice the next page. That is page number 15. First, mention the date at the top. That is, the date is 1/11/2021. So, first mention the date, children. So, look at this. These are small letter, that is the alphabets are given, small letter alphabets. So from A to Z, we have practiced each letter, that is a single letters we have practiced in our previous classes. So today we are going to write all the letters, that is from A to Z as on a same page. So look at this, children. So the letters are given, the small letters. First look at the letters, how it is mentioned. The same way you have to write it here. So look at the first, the 2 lines are given the tracing line from the letter, that is A to Z. So look at this, children. First you have to start from small letter A. So look at me, start from here. So this is the starting point. of small letter A. The small letter A should consist only from second and third line. So start from here, slightly go above, bend down. From same way you have to come down, then again go above, touch this point second line, and then come down, bend here. Small letter A. Look at this next, small letter B. Start from here, the slightly should go above, touch the first line and bend here. Here there is a bend and like a curve it should come down, again go above, touch the second line, put a knot like this. So this is small letter B. Again look at me, the letter C. So start from here. So for this cursive, you have to start from here only. So start from here, a slight bend, go above, put like a curve. The same way you have to come down and slightly it should go above. Small letter C. Next look at the small letter D. So start from here, go above like small letter A children. See the small letter A, we will go and touch up to this and we will come back. Whereas here for small letter D should go above, touch this line. So it should be slanting. Touch this line and same line you have to come down and go above. So small letter D. Letter small letter E, start from here, should go above, bend and then it should go above. Small letter E. Next small letter F, you have to concentrate children. So start from here, go above, touch the point, come down and you have to touch this last line up to this fourth line and it should go above. Look at this, here you have to put knot. There is a knot in left, there is a letter F. The next small letter G, go above like A only. How we have written the small letter A, the same way. But here it should come down, touch this line, put a bend here, go above. Small letter G. Next small letter H. Start from here, slanting line, bend, then come down. Then again same way, have to go above, touch the line, come down and bend here. Next small letter I. Start from here, go above, come down and bend here. This is small letter I. The next small letter A, that is a J. Start from here, slanting line, go above, touch this point, second line and then same way you have to come down and bend like this, go above. Then keep the dot. J. Next K. See, like a H only, you have to go above, bend down, come here, like a half of the letter H and then here put like a bend like this, come down, go above. The next letter L, start from here, go above, bend and then come down, then slanting. So look at this letter M, start from here, come down, then come down here, then go above the same way. You should not take your hand children. This is small letter M. Look at the next letter, small letter N, start from here, see come down, then go above, come down and go above. Like a M, half of the letter M, the letter N. The next letter is O, start from here, go above like a oval shape, come down. So you should not take your hand and put a knot like this. Small letter O. Next small letter P. Start from here, the slanting line. Then next from this point, come down. Then again same way have to go above. So touch this point. Then bend, come down and go above. Small letter P. Look at this next. Start from here, go above like small letter A children. See up to this small letter A. Here it will go above. Whereas here for small letter Q should come down and slanting. Next small letter R. Start from here, go above, put a knot. Then touch this point, come down and bend. Next small letter S, start from here, slanting line, a slight bend, slightly should come down. Small letter S. The next letter is small letter T. So start from here, go above, then come down. You should not touch this first line children. Up to this only have to stop. Then come down and bend. So both this side should be in equal place. Then have to put the line here. So small letter T. Next small letter U. Start from here, go above, then same way come down, then go above, touch the second line, come down and bend. Small letter U. The next V. For V, you should not put like in a straight line. Somewhat slightly it should slanting and here. So this is small letter V. The next small letter W. Start from here. So the starting point and this is the ending point. So start from here, come down. So here up to this you have to touch. Then slightly go above. Touch this point, then come down and then go above. These 3 points should be in equal line. So these 3 points and here these 2 edges should be in the same line. Now look at the letter X. So start from here, go above, bend down and then come here, go above. The same way you have to go again, return. You should not take your hand. So come down and then go above. Next letter Y. Start from here, go above like small letter U children. So for U, you will bend here, whereas for Y, you should come down, put like a knot like this and then go above. Small letter Y. The next letter is small letter Z. Start from here, slightly should go above, come down. Concentrate here children, and here from this point you have to come down and put a knot like this and it should go above. So this is small letters alphabets, that is from A to Z. So children, first mention the date and do the tracing. After that you have to practice the next line. Children, take your honeysuckle book, page number 54, that is unit 4 poem Beauty. 3 stanzas are there. Read louder, pronounce it properly, open your mouth and read. Read well children, practice it. After completing your reading practice, take your handwriting book, take page number 15. First mention the date, that is today's date, you have to write it in page number 15 children. That is last class we have completed 14 and this class we have to write page number 15. First mention the date and then you have to write the tracing letter first and then only you have to go for the next practice line. So write it neatly children, concentrate on your writing. After completing your handwriting, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.